Science and Engineering, Professor Sundar Krishna Garu, Head of the Department, Dr. Vijay Kumar Garu, and Director, Directorate of Admissions, Kiran Kumar Garu, and Head the Department of Chemistry and EC member, Dr. Shekhar Reddy Garu, and Dr. Indira Garu from Guduvalluru College of Engineering and Technology, and other faculty members, Krishna Mohan, Ali Mirja, and Prakash, and technical staff. And my dear upcoming computer professionals, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
So, being a principal of this college, I'm really happy, really happy to take part in KRU Technofest 2K22. This is the first time that the Department of Computer Science is organizing a Technofest in the University of College of Arts and Data Science. I congratulate all the third year MCA students as well as second year MCA students, all the senior students, for their initiation to organize this event, and also made this event a grand success. Yes, already in the inaugural function I declared that this event is a grand success. Why? Because overwhelming response. Yes, Vijay Kumar Garu is right. So more than almost the 500 participants participating in this Technofest. I thank all the participants for your response, huge response to this Technofest being organized by Department of the Computer Science, University College of Arts and Science. And just now we have shared, Sundar Krishna Garu and me, we are also happy being the senior people of this college. You have played university song. That a full song you have played without having any the break. In recent times, that is not being played whenever this sort of the functions are being organized, because it was written by the founder Vice Chancellor of this university, Professor M.K. Durga Prasad Garu. We have emotional attachment with this university song. I thank the organizers for playing a full song on the eve of Technofest. Yes, at the outset, yes, there are three major domains which the student community is crazy about. The one is chemistry, the second one is business management, and third one is computer science. Yes, the students are crazy about these three the faculties. And if you look at the admissions also, all all seats in all the courses, programs, whether it is a bachelor program or postgraduate program. So all the programs offered by these faculties are completely filled this year also. It is happening for the last 1 decade. As far as the computer science is concerned, yes, it is most sought after subject. You are in the right track. So the sky is the limit for your growth. You can realize your dreams. Yes, though I am a professor of management, both my children, my son and daughter, studied their postgraduate program MS in United States of America, and BTech. My daughter studied BTech in Andhra University in computer science only. So really, in recent times, particularly this year, those who have got computer degree in their hand, they are getting jobs. Yes, it is a fact. Recently we have placement Directorate of Placements, Training and Placements have conducted a few days back. Actually, all our engineering students have got employment. All our MCA students got placed. Even then, so that company came to our university and recruited the final year students. Even they have not completed. So you have a great future. So you have to realize your potentiality. You have to learn new things. Because it is a dynamic the faculty. Please remember, unless you update yourself, unless you equip yourself, you cannot realize your dreams. Because the technology is changing, fast changing. So this sort of the FES, whatever technical FES, will enable you to update yourself, to learn new skills, and to prove yourself. I congratulate all the participants, whether you get a prize, first prize or not. That is a different thing. As Sundar Krishnan Garu has rightly pointed out, your participation itself proved that you are molding yourself suitable to the industry. As the Indians are most sought after in the world, particularly the computer professionals. The first preference is being given to Indians only. All the multinational companies. Yes, with first-hand data, I am giving this statement. My son is already working with American Express. He is telling that the Indians are most sought after. Why? Because they are hard-working. And big number is available in India only. And our students also adaptable. They try to learn quickly. So all these skills made you to recruit in multinational companies. Whether it is a US based multinational company or UK based or Canada based or Chinese based. first preference will be given to all these MNCs, especially for computer professionals. Indians are the most sought after. Yes, shortage is there. Shortage is there. Indians are not available. Indian computer professionals are not available. They are ready to take. But we are not giving sufficient number to these companies. I don't want to take much of your time. Only thing I wish to convey, you are on the right track. You are in the right faculty, right domain. And sky is the limit for your the success, for your career. And even I advise the girls also. Family composition has completely changed. You no more dependents. If you go and see high-tech city in Hyderabad itself, girls are more in number in software when compared to boys. As if you stand in front of the high-tech city and if you see the roads in the evening, all roads are filled with women computer professionals when compared to their counterparts, male. That's why, so don't underestimate yourself. The companies are giving utmost preference to recruit women first. So between boys and girls, they are giving preference to girls. You know the reason. That's why try to be confident and try to be self-reliant and try to get a job and stand on your own legs. Don't be dependents. Be independent all along in your career. With these few words, I thank the organizers for the opportunity given to me. Thank you one and all.